What's up, everybody? So today I'm installing some kicker speakers on my Mustang on the doors. Right now I have the set for the back deck, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to do that another day because you got to take all the panels off to get that one. But got these two speakers, got the wiring harnesses, and then the nylon pry bar trim removal tools. So these ones are simple, should take an hour at max, taking your time. So it's super simple how you get into the door. You just got to remove a few trim pieces. This one right here, and then there's one behind here that you got to pop out, and there's, I believe, Torx behind it. I pop this one out. Gotta pop this one out, unplug it, and then pop this one out. And you'll be able to, there's a screw here, there's a screw here, and a screw here. So you have to unplug this one, unplug that one. And it's the same thing for the passenger door, so I'm not gonna record the passenger door. Only difference with the passenger is it doesn't have a plug right here. So like I said, I got everything out. There's a Torx screw right here. There is one hidden in here. You can't really see it. I don't have a good light, but it's hidden down there. And then there's one right there too. Those three Torx, you get those out. And then on the side of the door, there's screws. I think they're 7mm that run all along to the bottom too. Okay, so I got all the Torx removed. They're T25s, and then like I was saying, you can't really see it, but there's one screw here, one down here, one down here, and one down here. 7mm, easy to get. And then there's one more thing you have to pop off that I did not show you. So right here, these little things, they just pop down like that, and then there's two more 7mm in here, and they just stay on, they don't come off. And so there's 6 screws all together on the door. So I did miss one bolt. There's one more down here, so there's 3 down here. All right, so there's one screw hidden right here, 7mm too. Now we should be able to do this. There we go. So in here is a speaker with some, I believe, 7mm again. A lot of people will tell you to remove these wires so you could take the whole door panel off, but I'm not going to do that because it's easily reachable from here. I'm just going to take the screws off, put the new one in, so I'll show you. Alright, so there's 5 6mm screws that hold the speaker on, and then that wiring harness. This is the old Ford speaker. Go over and show you the new one. This thing's very old and outdated. Not a lot to it, so open up the new ones. The new ones, kicker, a lot nicer. Comes with a wiring harness, so I'm gonna install these and simple, just repeat what you did to get these ones out. Alright, and one thing I did want to mention, if you do get the plug and play wiring kit for these, so the black wire goes to the negative, the white wire goes to the positive, and that's it. Then you just clip this back into the clip this one from, and then it's that simple, and you just reinstall it. So I'm gonna do this real quick. Alright, so I got it installed. I had to, if you could see right there, I had to clip the little tabs off to make it fit because there's 4 screws and the tabs kind of stop it from fitting. Once you get it installed, turn your car on, play some music, make sure it works before you button that door back up because you're not going to want to take the door off once you do it. Mine's working perfectly fine. I just tested it, not showing it because I don't want to get copyrighted. So on to the next one. This one took about, all in all, about 40 minutes, I want to say, because cutting the tabs, just a learning experience. I haven't done it. So next one should breeze by 20 minutes at most. Oh yeah, and just to reinstall the door, just slide it back up, put all the bolts back, you know, connect everything again, you're good to go, and that's it. So alright, I already got the speaker in this one buttoned up, everything's working. Made sure it worked, everything's good. Just gonna put it back together. It took me like 15 minutes to put it in. Simple once you do the first one. I'm just gonna put the door back and everything's done. So simple. Speakers work really good, sound a lot better than these factory old ones right here. These ones are they're okay, they're nothing special. The old style, these are a lot better. So yep. All right, everything's put back together, installed. Sounds a lot better, a lot better. So, you know, I'm not gonna play any music because you're not gonna be able to tell the difference over the speakers because they're not that good. But man, this thing, whew, a lot better. But that's it for this video, so I'll catch you guys later.